Guys, here's what my tools look like now. Which, most of these drawers are still the same. Like, this drawer is still the same. This drawer is not the same because I have a bunch of other wrenches in here. Which, if y'all have already seen, y'all know what wrenches. But if y'all haven't, go rewatch some of the videos that I've done on tools and whatnot. And then, that's the heaviest drawer of them all. And then, that one was like the bits, and then the driver for the bits. And then here's all my ratchets, sockets, extensions, adapter, and the driver. And then the final drawer, which I think has a few things missing because I have a few things inside from it. Screwdriver, flathead, hammer, the Fantic, cut resistant sleeves, the impact resistant gloves, cold weather gloves, goggles, safety glasses, saw. And then the two things that are not in here are my cut resistant gloves, and I think one other thing, I can't remember. So hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep on keeping tab until YouTube makes future so you get notified when I post a tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.